Installing your Maxi Pro or Maxi with vehicle seatbelt, forward facing. This car seat is suitable from 6 months to approximately 8 years. If your child's shoulders have reached the entry lower height marker, it is safe to begin using this seat. Once your child has reached the upper height marker, they have outgrown this seat and can graduate to the next form of restraint. There are 2 recline positions, including upright. Adjust the latch found at the rear of the seat. Before installing your child's seat, adjust the crutch strap to the appropriate height. Lift the trim cover to reveal crutch strap slots. Crutch buckle height adjustment is changed by threading the anchor plates into the respective shell slot as shown. Turn the crotch strap anchor plate and push through the slot as shown. Ensure the anchor plate is fully through the shell slot, flat against the seat shell. Check the buckle position with the child seated. If additional buckle height is required, repeat with the other anchor plate. The centre of the buckle should be positioned approximately in line with the top of the thighs. The seat has crutch straps fitted in the lowest position when supplied. Use position 1 for smaller children and position 2 and 3 for larger children. Position your seat on the vehicle seat. Fully lengthen the seatbelt and follow the seatbelt path. Ensure that the seatbelt is behind the harness straps and that the lap part of the seatbelt is below the hooks. Engage the buckle. Finally, pull the adjustment strap for a tight fitment. Pull the sash to remove slack while placing weight on the seat. This will help maintain tension. If required, extend your top tether strap by pushing on the adjuster button and pull the strap to lengthen. Connect your tether strap, ensuring twists are removed, to the vehicle anchor point. Tighten the adjustable strap. It is important not to over-tighten or the base will lift off the vehicle seat. Store the excess strap in the pocket. Prepare the harness for your child. Grasp both shoulder straps and push the harness adjuster button. Fully extend the harness straps. The shoulder straps of your seat must be in a position nearest to your child's shoulders, but not more than 25 millimeters below your child's shoulders. To adjust the headrest, pull the Easy Adjust lever and raise the headrest to a height that will be above your child's shoulder. Open the harness and place your child into the seat and adjust the shoulder straps to a position nearest your child's shoulders, but not more than 25 millimeters below their shoulders. Place each arm through the shoulder strap of the harness. Pull the crutch strap and buckle up between the legs of your child. Fit either harness buckle tongue. You will hear a click when both tongues are fully engaged. Remove slack in the lap straps by pulling up on the shoulder straps. You are now ready to travel safely.